I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Toyota RAV4 dashboard. First, gather your supplies, including several clean microfiber cloths, a soft brush, and a mild interior cleaner. Begin by removing any loose dirt, dust, or crumbs using a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment or a dry microfiber cloth. Always test your chosen cleaning solution on a small, hidden spot to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration or damage. Now, let's get into the deep cleaning. Spray your interior cleaner onto a clean microfiber cloth, rather than directly onto the dashboard, to avoid overspray and potential damage to electronics. Carefully wipe down all surfaces, paying attention to textured areas and around buttons. For those tricky spots like air vents and seams, a small detailing brush or cotton swab works wonders to dislodge trapped dust and grime. After cleaning, it's time to protect your dashboard. Apply a high-quality UV protectant to a fresh microfiber cloth and gently wipe it over the entire dashboard surface. This helps prevent cracking, fading, and sun damage over time. Finally, use a separate dry microfiber cloth to buff the dashboard, ensuring a streak-free and even finish. Regular dusting will keep it looking great between deep cleans. To keep your RAV4 dashboard in top condition, always avoid using harsh chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or household products, as these can cause irreversible damage to the materials. Address any spills or sticky residues promptly to prevent them from setting in and becoming harder to remove. Remember, a little regular maintenance goes a long way in preserving your car's interior. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.